Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Acura TL. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 205,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, traction control, and power windows.